Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Learn to Make and I'm Zifeng. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel art using a free software. Let's go. There's also a background music, which I chose this weird music because I think that is happy. I chose this music, it's called Splashing Around by the Green Ops. I think that I can make a video in the future of me learning a recorder to play this music. After the previous video, I've got a lot of feedback from my friend, and one of it is the NewTuber. This time I'm not saying it wrongly, it's really called NewTuberReviews. So this is part of the clip.
Let's just do a general overview. I could see here that your channel banner is not done, but you told me you're fairly new, and I could see here you're new, so I guess you're working on it. And you have pretty good art skills and editing and graphics, so I'm not worried about that. Your thumbnails are really nice and eye-catching.
And the link in the description below. So you mentioned that not everybody has Illustrator, so it's better for me if I use a free software. And then I found this snappa.com, which is really good. Link in the description below, and you can just create a free account. So I'm having a screen recording now. So after you make a new account, it'll bring you to this page. And if you scroll downwards, you can see this YouTube channel art. So just click it, and there'll be a lot of templates to choose from. And if you don't want to choose any template, you can just scroll up and use the plus button to make your own design. So the white piece in the middle will be visible in all platforms. Like this is a TV only area, and this is a tablet safe area and a desktop safe, max desktop safe area. And let's say if you click the background, so you can just choose a background. Let's say I choose a pattern. Nope. Upload. Nope. Color. Nope. Okay, I should just choose pattern instead of background because I don't really like any background that is available in the website. So okay, after 10 minutes of browsing, I like this pattern more than the others, so I will just choose this. So you can set the saturation, hue, brightness and the contrast. So a red image can be a yellowish by changing the hue and the saturation. Now I have an orangey channel art, so if I increase the brightness, yep. I also can do a color overlay, so you just need to increase the slider to change the color slightly. And button, nope. Higher contrast, higher brightness, and I'll add some blur to it. Okay, looks great now. So I'll add a heading. Learn to make. Change the color, and you can also change the font. And I should choose this and increase the font size. I think the letterings are quite near, so I increase the letter spacing. Centralize. When you're centralized, you can see the cross. Learn to make. And also there are some icon packs to be used. So oops. How do I send this to the back? Send? Nope. Can I send this to the back? Oh. Move layer backward. Nice. I like to have two hands. Okay, I think I'll use this. Learn to make. Learn to make. Drag it to the side and flip. Is this the same size? Roughly, yep. Oh, so you can toggle the safe zone by clicking this. Learn to make. How do I save this? Save. I like to add something about my channel, which is the tagline. It's okay to sucks. Learn to make it better. Ooh, I'm a genius. I just made this up like when I type. Larger text? Nope, smaller text. I shall apply the rule of third somewhat. Nope. I give up. It's okay to sucks. Learn to make it better. Download high-res PNG and then go to your channel and press customize channel, add channel art. I'll just drag this in. Save. Learn to make. It's okay to suck. Learn to make it better. So, as you can see, I've dyed my hair. Now I'm a blonde. See you in the next video.